The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Normal.
I'm still gonna kick it back over.
You ain't gonna be able to.
What is this though?
What?
Right here.
That's the power, everything. That power, all this shit in here. Extra air, all that.
This air?
It's like this, like all this.
I didn't even see that.
I don't even know what all this is. It should look like a bomb or some shit. This is, I don't know, this right here.
Y'all think it's a joke?
That's like the door. I think this unlocked the door. I want to close y'all in here and see.
No, don't close me in here.
Yeah, I would. Let me.
I'm going to open it.
I just want to see. Knock on it so we can see. Can you hear?
I will.
Climb out, Alicia. Let her do it.
She ain't scared, honey. Call it though. She from Texas with the face on her. Knock. Hold on. Knock.
Say something. Scream. Open the door, tell her scream.
You can't hear knocking.
You can hear it a little bit, but barely.
She said scream.
Closing the screen. Do it again. Oh, hell no. You can't even hear it.
Y'all screaming.
Hell no.
Y'all
You can't
screaming
even hear that shit.
It's crazy.
Look, listen to this.
Underneath the motherfucker.
Oh, yeah.
Underneath her.
Look at
Like a
that
body.
shit. That shit.
Yeah, they had something underneath her. You can.
It looks soft.
Cause they don't weld it together.
That's the insulation, Alicia. It's insulated. You can't even hear. That's crazy. This some fucked up shit. Whole fucking power box. And then this connect to the outside. That's how this thing get power right here, y'all. This.
Somebody probably still got your wood.
What is all this shit running down?
Like they know.
Like they like they tried to clean it.
Cause they don't tell them what they don't roll. The only thing you can see visible is that help.
Yeah, and them little scratches.
And these little hand marks.
Look on the roof. Look at all them scratches up there. Look. I don't even know what that say. That shit look like blood and everything.
No, don't say that word.
It do.
Viewers and subscribers, respect to everyone. This is the Dancehall Skilla. Now, according to what has been said on social media, is that the vehicle that you see in the video that I just show you, my viewers and subscribers, is the type of vehicle that is used for human trafficking. Now, I am not an FBI agent. I have never seen a van like this or a vehicle like this before. But viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you according to what has been said on social media, and it says that this is the kind of vehicle, or this is the vehicle that is used for human trafficking. And it makes me have to ask the question, is this really the kind of vehicle that is used for human trafficking? Or is it not? You see me? Now, human trafficking is persons or people or human beings being traded for the purpose of labor, slavery, exploitation, or other things as well. That's what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers. And me look at this video and me look into it and I say, Jano, are them things that people really are go through and are do out there in the world? The things rough, man. Things set like a tin set. It hard, yo. You see it? Viewers and subscribers, you hear me? When me see things like this, me have to say, yo, be careful. You see me I say? Be careful where you go, or the places you go, I should say I support. You see me? Because believe you me, me always hear about human trafficking, but me not exactly get it what or how this thing happen. But all me I say, be careful and try and make sure say your family members are always safe. You see it? Because judging by the looks of this van, it would seem as if the people are the persons that are being taken for human trafficking. It would seem as if they have been taken against their will. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I might be wrong about what I said, viewers and subscribers. So you can tell me if I am wrong or I am right about what I said. You can tell me if I am wrong or right about what I said. Alright? Well, this is where I leave it, viewers and subscribers. You can tell me what you think about something like this. Is this really a vehicle that is used for human trafficking or not? You see, that are the question me have to ask. Like I said, I've never seen anything like this. Alright? And you don't know me, Dancehall, you have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?